The first project that I had at Kuraray was sourcing a warehouse for elastomers. So this actually ended up taking the whole internship to complete. And so it was like a long-term project. Yeah, I realized I could build a career here at Kuraray when I actually saw a job posting open up in my department. And I came from a really small team, so to me it was a great, exciting news just to see that position open up, and I applied immediately. And I think the reason why I wanted to work at Kuraray was just because of the culture here. I like how the people are here, everyone's nice and easy to talk to, so I'm glad that I made the right decision to apply, and here I am today. So my role has actually evolved a lot since I was an intern. When I was an intern, I was focused more on project work. So I would always ask for smaller projects while I tackle my bigger projects. I think now my role is mainly on domestic transportation, focusing mainly on the 18-wheelers that you see on the road and focusing on getting Kuraray shipments all across North America. So the advice I would actually give to an intern is to focus on learning as much as you can. You're trying to get exposure to all the different works and the industry that you're in, and also the career that you're going to be pursuing. So your job is just to learn as much as you can, catch on as quickly as you can, ask as many questions as you can. I know it's going to be hard to ask for help, but more people are willing to help you than you realize. So just don't be afraid to reach out, ask for help, and try to learn as much as you can. So yeah, go out there and have fun.